today we're going to be installing the headlights, turn signals, and the fog lights. Get this plug, make sure you check if the colors are correct, because over here it was positive and then negative, but on the light it was supposed to be positive on the black and then negative on the red, so they got the colors mismatched. So now I had to splice it, reconnect it the opposite way so that it works. So you see here, this side's working. If it was from the factory, no light. There you go, check it out. Black on red, red on black. There we go. Everything should work as it should. Yep. Just encountered a problem. This should be here and this should be here. Maybe I'm missing a piece. This is supposed to be like a surround. So I decided to just zip tie it, double zip tie, up and down. Seems sturdy enough. It's not really moving anywhere. So here's the plan with the daytime running lights. I'm gonna grab the power wire and the negative wire. I'm gonna merge them together, follow the stock harness, and then this for the other side. So now I'm gonna run 2 more wires following the stock harness into the headlight harness. Now you could do 2 things. You could either splice into the actual daytime running light or parking light. You can splice into that, or if you did the JDM swap like me, there's actually an extra plug. Okay, you can see here I connected the positive and negative right here, extended it, and then over here I merged another set of wires at the end of it. That way you can have the disconnect.
Turn me up, yeah. I'm just cruising through the night. You know what it's like, and I just